Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. My name is Olorunwa. I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to teach you how to sell your airtime from your card. Maybe someone just sent 10,000 naira, or you mistakenly want to send money to bank accounts. You mistakenly use it as a recharge card. You don't need to worry yourself anymore. You can you can sell this card without any stress. So join me to move down to Tintel app. Guys, how can you get this Tintel app? It's available at Play Store or Google Store. So here we go now. Let's move down to the Tintel. This is the app. Can you see that? So I'm going into the app now. All right. So I have to sign in. Okay. Yes, I have signed in now. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see what you can do with this app. You can do all these numerous things with this app. For instance, airtime transfer. You can transfer your airtime to someone else. Maybe you don't have cash and someone is requiring or asking you to send, that is, they wanted to buy card to call an important person. You can transfer airtime to that person. You can sell airtime. You can sell your airtime also, of which this money will be credited to your bank accounts. Let's practicalize it one after the other. Okay, so to transfer airtime is very simple. You can see here, just come down to this place. Can you see this place? So just name or phone number or Tintel ID. That is exactly what you need. And then the beneficiary, the person that you want to transfer to. So that is where you come to this area, beneficiary, and then the phone number of that particular person is here. Okay, so let's move back to, if you want to sell airtime, this is exactly what you are going to do. You come down to this area, just type name or the account number and add the beneficiary. You are good to go. What are you waiting for? Don't stress yourself if you mistakenly send money to the bank but you use it to recharge card. You will sell it with this app. The next thing here is airtime buy. By the time you buy airtime, there is a benefit, there is a reward of buying airtime. You can also use this app as a business, of which when you buy airtime, there is a lot of reward here. Okay, so aside from this, we can also move to airtime code. If you don't want to send your number to anybody, can you see? If you don't want to send your number to anybody, you can scan code. Just scan code and you transfer your airtime fast. And then airtime funding. You can also fund airtime available with partner. Just send funds to them with airtime. If anyone just need your help, that I want so there, but if you have airtime, enough airtime, you can send it directly to the person. And then airtime bill, you can also use your airtime to pay your cable. You can use this to pay for STARTIME, you can use it to pay for GOTV, and you can also use it to pay for your DSTV. How can you do that? If you have enough airtime and you don't have cash, you can use it, you can sell it. So this is what this app is wonderful. It's wonderful that you can never see any app like this. It just practically with airtime, just focus and concentrate with airtime, where how you can use your airtime. And then we use this airtime, you can also use this app as a business. You can just get many airtime, start selling it, and there's a lot of reward here. Ladies and gentlemen, ThinkTel is a new app and is funded. The founder is from Nigeria. So you can also internet service buy data. Okay, you can buy data with it. Everything is complete. It's 100% complete. And if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you have to stay tuned for our next video. And this app is very good, I will not lie to you. Just subscribe. Thank you for watching.